So hello, welcome back, and right now we are linked to office. Today is Wednesday and it's raining outside. As you can see, it's pouring heavily a little bit. So it's windy a little bit out here. Hello, good morning guys. Today is Friday and right now we are going to office. So today we have a event in our office which is gaming event and also a party after that, and today we will be wearing this dress which is having Sasuke Uchiha. So this is my favorite t-shirt I bought I think 6 months back. I haven't wear it because I was a little bit fat and my stomach was visible in this t-shirt, but this t-shirt right now gives the perfect fit for me, as you can see. So this is the benefit I am having of losing some weight. So guys, today is Saturday and today right now there's some construction going on. Not a construction, but we are setting this kind of glass door windows on the outside. So the work is going on. The work is done and let me show you how it looks right now. Lovely, isn't it? So this is my new workplace. We have built it. So here we can sleep. We can use this space right now. This space will be more useful than before. So this is a lovely space and I think we will do our setup here. Guys, right now we are at the Danda beach this Saturday and we are enjoying the weekend. Lovely, beautiful weather, as you can see. It's not raining. So enough of beautiful shots we have captured, and the climate is still the same. It's not raining right now and you can see beautiful weather out here. been a wonderful day because beautiful moment and beautiful clips are captured. So I am feeling very happy about it. So guys, I am sitting and relaxing for a while at the beach on the rocks. Today's video is very beautiful because I am beautiful and the scenery is also beautiful. I hope you have enjoyed my vlog in which I went to the beach. Let's end this vlog and see you tomorrow. So hello guys, we are back. It's 9 a.m. and we are starting a new vlog. And today is Sunday and right now we came for a walk. As usual, we have to complete 2 laps. So let's get it done very quickly without wasting any time and hope to see our favorite cat.
That's a lovely sight. Flamingos are such elegant birds.
So right now we are recording from the front camera. So right now we are applying the technique of fasting and exercising at the same time. So right now I woke up early in the morning, but I didn't do my today's breakfast. I skipped it. Usually while going to office, I eat mostly with milk, but today I didn't do anything. And today I decided to skip the breakfast and go for the lunch. And also I have been walking almost 10,000 steps and more than that. So I set my goal to 12,000 steps, which burns around 600 kilocalorie in that whole process. So that is the goal I've set for the meantime, and I'm feeling more confident that I can increase my 2 laps of this circuit to 3 laps, but not soon enough. First, we need to discipline the 2 laps circuit, and then we will move forward to 3 laps, and it will be significantly it will significantly lose our weight in the meantime. And also we need to build muscles, so also we need to focus on rightful eating. Yee, cutie cutie cutie. So the time has skipped and right now we are back on the walking arena, which is our road where we come every time for making a vlog, because we don't travel anywhere and this is the place where we can vlog freely. What a lovely evening out here. Amazing skyline, wonderful climate. So just we need to cross the mark of 90 in order to look lean, and our goal is to go beyond 90, which is 80 or 82. And also, if we put some more major efforts along with the diet without losing strength, we can also do that. But let's hope we cross the 90 mark in a few weeks. So this is the evening skyline.
Hee hee.